test of the NOAA Weather Radio Alert System. During hazardous weather and emergency situations, the alert tones which were just broadcast will automatically activate special receivers to alert you of impending hazards. This test is normally conducted weekly around 11 a.m. If hazardous weather is imminent or occurring, the test may be canceled. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the alert tones will only be activated for the following counties in the KXI-42 listening area in Illinois: Marion, Bond, Clinton, Fayette, Jefferson, Washington, and Wayne. If your receiver was tone activated, the alert function will automatically reset after the test. This concludes our test for this week, and we will now resume normal programming. Thank you.
Sound like an index, actually.
Winter storm warning in effect from 6 p.m. Thursday to midnight Thursday night. Wind chill warning in effect from 6 p.m. Thursday to noon Friday. West of today, mostly cloudy. Highs in the upper 30s. East winds around 5 miles per hour.
You're supposed to tone it.
Tonight, cloudy, cold. Near steady temperature in the lower 30s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Thursday.
The sun has OEM detection. Well, this thing did not turn off.
Snow accumulation of 1 to 3 inches. Blustery with highs in the upper 30s. Temperature falling to around 9 above in the afternoon. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour with gusts up to 20 miles per hour. Increasing.
Yeah, shut it.